Hi everyone, welcome to Step to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to clean unnecessary string from dataset. So in column C, as you can see, there are some values in this column, and I would like to see all the value in one shape, which is in column D. So here I can see that there are dash, dot, beginning and closing a parenthesis, and then space. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 string that we have to remove. So for this we have to use a substitute formula, and since we have 5 string to remove, so we will write down the substitute formula 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have to select the row, then comma, then first the parenthesis, then this one, then closing a parenthesis, then dash, empty parenthesis, then dot, the end plus 0, enter. So you can see the formula is here in the formula bar, so nothing to worry. So we can see the output is like this, and then if I drag and drop to below, then I can see all the data is in one shape. So this is how actually we know would be able to clean up the dataset. But remember, the substitute will be added if there are more string to clean from the dataset. So you have to remember this one. And this is how you can practice and clean the data, and you can benefit for your. Thank you very much for your time.